Quick video on noise at your tires. If your tires are making noise and you don't know what it is, if you're driving in winter conditions, check for stuff like that. Your tires making noise, rubbing something, anything. If you look in there, also if you feel a wobbling or if you feel unbalancing while you're driving down the highway, check for the ice in the tires like that. Especially in winter conditions. Also happens on gravel roads and stuff like that. Those tires will get all full of dirt and stuff and then they start shaking like son of a bitch. Yeah, but that's in this car's case, it won't go in reverse or drive. It's stuck. The wheel's stuck on the ice. But yeah, that's it. Make sure you check your tires if they're making noise for ice and snow buildup. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.